Hello, beautiful soul, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're coming from my shop, thank you so much for your purchase, and I hope you really love these items. To make it easier for you, I created a series of tutorials for you to help you edit and help you understand Canva in case you're not familiar with this design tool. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to access your template. So this is what you would get. But first, you will receive an item like this, a PDF with your purchase, as well as instructions and tutorials. Once you click on this link, it will bring you to this page where you can hit Use Template, and it will open up all of your designs for you. This is also going to be saved to your Canva library so that you can come back anytime and edit right from there. If you have any other questions, please put them down below. I will be happy to answer them for you. And if you loved your product, I would love it if you would consider leaving me a 5-star review on Etsy. It really helps out us small businesses and it really makes our day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.